All right, so this video is just for my virtual learners. If you are not a virtual learner, stop watching this video because you do not need to watch this video, okay? Thank you. All right, so my at-home kids for this TikTok challenge. If you have TikTok and you have the ability to do all three of those challenges, you are good to go. You're gonna do exactly the same thing as the kids that are here in school are going to do. You're just going to be kind of working by yourself unless you have friends or family that you can incorporate into the video. I am totally okay with that. Or pets, whatever. But that's fine. This message is really for those kids out there that don't have the ability to do TikTok videos because you really do need the app to be able to easily do the requirements that I'm asking. So if you are a kid either that does not have TikTok or does not have very good editing skills and know how to create videos on TikTok just yet, and you don't have anyone who can help you, then I'm going to give you an alternate assignment. So if you remember from the previous video, the first thing that I'm having everyone do is do a 1-minute original content video. So that is usually on TikTok, a comedy or something funny that's happening in the original content. But for you guys at home, you're going to do an original content video that is longer than 1 minute. So I'm aiming more for between 2 to 3 minutes. Something that is, it can be comedic, it can be entertaining, it can be self-help and giving instructions. It could be doing different challenges, so long as they're safe. But it needs to be something that your parents would not be ashamed of you doing, okay? So it needs to be school appropriate and something that you and them would be proud of you for making. And again, you're able to use absolutely anyone to help you make this video. So that's alternate assignment number 1 for those of you that have the ability to record but just don't have a TikTok. Alternate assignment number 2 is going to be up in Schoology, okay? Only you guys that cannot make a TikTok, cannot do the alternate assignment number 1, will be doing the alternate assignment number 2. Alternate assignment number 2, for those of you that, excuse me, I was a little sick over break, so my throat hurts. But alternate assignment number 2 is, I lost my train of thought. Sorry. Okay, so imagine that you are doing alternate assignment number 1, the video, but you can't record, but you want to create the original content, the script for that. So your assignment would be to type up the script, but instead of it being like just a 2-minute scene, make it be a 3 to 4 minute long scene. So the reason that I'm making it a tad bit longer is because then about the same amount of work will go into writing the script as it would for kids that have to create content, write a script, and shoot it, okay? So it needs to be an original thought that you create and everything like that, but you get to write it out and write it like a script. So if you don't remember how to write a script, you can go on ahead and go onto YouTube, Google how to write a script or how to write in script format. You can Google that. It's very easy. You basically just put the name of the character, the semicolon, and then you write out their dialogue that they're going to say, and any stage directions that they would do, you would write it in parentheses, okay? Or if there's a certain way you want them to say a line, you write that angrily in parentheses or whatever you want them, however you want them to say it. So again, if you can't do TikTok, alternate assignment number 1 is to do a 2 to 3 minute video of original content. Hold on. And if you can't do that at all because you can't record, then your alternate assignment is to write a 3 to 4 minute long script of original content that you are proud of, okay? And that would be school appropriate. So if you have more questions about what all you're supposed to do, please let me know. This assignment is due at the end of the school day on Friday. So Friday is a virtual learning day for everyone. So your classmates that are in school have to finish the TikTok project within 3 days, but you guys at home, you have until Friday. All right. If you have any questions, message me. I cannot wait to see what y'all come up with.